Hi, I'm Ashley. I was an intern in 2023.
Hi, I'm Quinn, and I was an intern in 2021. And in honor of National Intern Day, we're going to go ask our 2025 summer interns some questions.
Let's go.
Hey! What's a cool project that you have been working on?
Right now I'm doing an audit report for the CPBS, Clean Building Performance Standards.
If you could describe your internship in one word, what would it be?
I'd say learning. I've learned so much here.
If you could rename your title to anything funny, what would it be?
So my title is Sales Excellence Intern, and if I had to rename it to anything, it would be PowerPoint Ninja / Sales Wizard.
If you could describe your internship in one word, what would it be?
Engaging.
What's a core memory you have from your internship so far?
I would say so far a core memory has been the B.L.U.E experience. It was really nice getting to meet all the other interns and hang out, and we played some fun games together too.
What's your favorite part about the Denver office or just working in this area?
I love the people here. Oh my gosh, everyone on my team, even outside of my team, has been so great and so welcoming, so I've loved it so far.
That's awesome. What do you hope to learn from the internship?
I want to get to know more just about systems of HVAC and how to optimize stuff, obviously, but more of just the nitty gritty of how the mechanical components work.
What is one thing that you've really enjoyed thus far in your internship here?
I really like the work environment here and the putting people first aspect of McKinstry.
All right, let's see if anybody's at the basketball court. What's one thing you've learned in your internship so far that you didn't learn in school?
I've learned a lot about the actual business paperwork side of construction and that sort of stuff.
My favorite thing about interning at McKinstry is that everyone is just so eager to help you and help you learn, and just the environment here is really great for growth and learning.
What is something you've learned so far in your internship that you didn't learn in school?
Definitely the power of networking.
And what is one word you would use to describe yourself? I think interesting.
What is one thing you like to listen to while working here?
I really like listening to audiobooks and podcasts.
I'll throw on techno and EDM to kind of keep the energy moving. It has to have a good beat.
What's one of your favorite things about being an intern at McKinstry?
For me, it's the people, the amount of people that you meet, and the fact that everyone is super welcoming and they're willing to help you out and network with you and take time out of their day to meet with you.
What advice would you give to future interns?
I would probably say just be a sponge and soak up as much information as you possibly can. I ask that question to everybody who I shadow, and that's exactly what they say every single time, but it really is the best piece of advice.
Well, that about wraps it up. Thank you so much for joining us today.
And happy National Intern Day.
No! Damn it! Oh, no. No!
And happy National Intern Day.
You're kidding.